Yo, what's up everybody, from Canada, Toronto, but actually from Hamilton, and I'm on the hill. This is like a park residential area, and there is the beautiful view overlooking the Hamilton and Toronto in the background. And I'm gonna show you a little bit around, just very easygoing short video today, because I really have a jet lag today. I didn't have a jet lag when I was coming from Asia to Poland, but now from Poland to Canada I have a little bit jet lag, but I will show you anyways. So I want to show you a little bit of the view. This is like a hill. That's the bridge going from Hamilton to Toronto. Actually, Toronto is like 1 hour from here. So I'm not gonna show you today Toronto itself, but don't worry, I'm gonna show you the Toronto. And this is the downtown of Hamilton, and that's the central. This is like a nice view overlooking the Ontario Lake. All right, guys, that's the stairs when you can go down to have a better view. But after my jet lag, I barely go 10 steps up there. But I wanted to show you something like this one exists, right? We're gonna go to different location now. That's the some steel factory over there. And then there is the bridge, what I show you. This is maximum zoom, what I can tell you. And that's the Ontario Lake. Then there will be the Toronto in the very, very far in the background. Anyways, I'm here today with my friend Luis, here busy on the phone checking the map because he's taking me to see some waterfall. Now I'm gonna show you a little bit of the nature. We are in Canada. Canada, as you know, or maybe perhaps you don't know, is not only about the big cities or cars, but it's also a lot of nature in Canada. We're gonna travel also across Canada, not only in Toronto area, in Ontario, but today Hamilton and the area surrounds. Also, I have to take it easy because I don't know, I really feel a little bit sleepy and everything. But the waterfall must be refreshing, of course. Alright, getting inside the woods. There's some waterfall I can see. Luckily it wasn't that far. Okay, I will see you when I get there. Some stones, woods, and the waterfall is just there. Also the weather is just great for the trips like this one. Alright guys, so that's the Sherman Falls, just in the heart of the Hamilton, outside of Toronto in Ontario, Canada, obviously. Just we're talking with my friend because he used to coming to Bali many times. Also, maybe you know him because he actually appeared on one of my videos. Anyways, nobody is here except the one lovely couple, and no entrance fee and no nothing, which is like American European vibe, because in Bali will be 100 people making Insta stories, Insta pictures, TikToks, guide fees and everything. But here it's like this one. Waterfall is nice, not too small actually, not too big. Somebody also have a nice house here in the woods down there in the little valley. Have 2 trailers. nice place. Basically from those roads we came from the waterfall. It's like a 10-minute trek, and there you can see actually in the background the Hamilton city. So it's not that far though. My friend is laughing. This is not like a gondola in Malaysia. It's not Genting Highlands, guys. Right, and this is the golf club here. Very nice old architecture with Canadian flags and everything, of course. Very nice place in general. You can play golf in Canada, obviously, on every corner. It's very popular. You know, also a little bit of the stroll. We are looking for American cars, actually. but we can have something here. One Chrysler, I think it was, some Chevrolet, some Jeep. That will be Infiniti, that's not. Acura, which is Japanese car, but the Acura is in North America. And after that, there's some shopping complex in Canada, obviously, and we are going to legendary American brand, which is Costco. Yeah, Costco and Walmart, both of them I have to show, but we are going to this one today. Big parking, everything is spacious in Canada, obviously, right? Especially if we compare again to Asian vibe, it will be totally different. Oh, American Ford with the American trailer.
And there's nobody taking parking.
Yeah, no parking fees, my friends saying, obviously, right?
No singing parking guy here.
No singing guys here. Yeah, that's true. My friend was in Bali for many times, so he knows the topic, watching my videos every day for 3 years. That's my friend, actually. You know, he's still shy. Oh, focus driving, right? Be careful, because bike may get you at the front of us. Oh, actually, they push the trolleys. And basically looking for American cars. Actually, in Canada, it's a lot of Japanese cars for some reason, but there's four.
Parking spot, yo.
Yeah, our parking spot. And don't park somewhere far. I need to walk another Ford over there, actually. But after that, a lot of, there is the Chrysler, but a lot of Toyotas and stuff like this one. Saw some, seen some Corvette before. I'm gonna travel a lot, gonna show you. But Tesla is American, actually. So here we go. I would like just notice one thing, how everything is spacious here in Canada. In Australia is spacious, but here I think it's even more spacious, because this is the road on the middle of the parking lot, and that's the parking lot itself. You have really a lot of space. Like, that's the parking lot. Even the huge Chrysler 300 have a lot of room to open the door, parking properly. Here you go. An Audi looks small here, Audi A4 actually. And that's the legendary Costco, starting with electric stuff, laptops, TVs and everything. Overall the shop is very big, I gotta tell you. Just wanted to show you. First time in Costco actually though, but this is how does it look like. That's the cashier lots, and that's the shop itself. And it's just regular Costco. Even the basket is big actually. Canada is famous for the hockey, and they have a hockey nest here. You can buy everything actually, and wholesale and everything. This is well, very American stuff.
But you can even get a wholesale roll of hockey tape.
Yeah.
8-pack.
See, something totally different though. Everything with the hockey, preparing for the winter. Don't forget, Canada have a really solid winters here. You have it? No? The goggles, everything. This is actually like, you know, just little bit of everything and nothing. Yeah, you're going to Bali when it's winter, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
When it starts to snow, I'm out of here, bro.
That's the butcher section here actually. Check this out. Like everything is so big here. And with the prices actually. The meat here is not really expensive, but that's how they're making the chickens here, by the way. That's the actually white salmon fillet for $35 per kg, and this is packed for almost 2 kgs. While the more orange one, the more brighter one, is the farm one, which is less healthy and is even cheaper, $32, which is like many times cheaper than in Bali. Something totally different and unique is that as they selling the milk in the bags, like this one. This is actually, I never seen like that before. And that's definitely my favorite section, obviously. But the whole pack costs you $10, $11, and that's the big cans, 355 milliliters actually. And well, obviously a lot, everything. Or perhaps you can find the pack of the crisps, which is 900 grams, 1 kg packs of Kittles. Always, perhaps, doesn't matter. a lot of stuff, big and spacious, obviously, but that's the American Costco. And also my friend is hiding behind the huge, I need to get back to show you the full shape. How many, this is like a whole bag of popcorn, but this American size in general. It's Canada, but the same thing. 1 kg of the popcorn look like this one. All right, cool. When you're in Costco, it's a little bit like IKEA in Europe. You have have to try the hot dog, but this is like a hot dog. They have a Polish sausage, I just realized. Polish sausage, 150. This is like something that you have to try. This is like a, you know, stuff like this one. And this is how the $1.50 hot dog look like from the Costco in general. Costco, as you can see. Also Costco have gas stations. And this is old Fort Wayne, some local place, old school gas station. Actually, gonna have some shawarma. That's the old school gas station. Just wanted to say that's my first day here in Hamilton. Actually, I didn't even get to Toronto yet, but it's gonna be everything in the upcoming days. I would like to say thank you so much for watching, listening. Every day will be shorter video from Canada. I will try to make it like a 10-15 minutes long, because I made last time very long video in Poland, and maybe not everybody of you have a time for watching this, which is I totally understand. So in Canada I will make it a little bit different. And after that, of course, I'm going back to Poland. Anyway, this is the Canada. Also very quiet, actually. Also not that much people here. But well, after Asia, you're not gonna find much people anywhere. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, listening. I will see you tomorrow next. See ya.